Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, we are going to unbox my presents. See, these are my presents for Christmas. So guys, these are the gifts that I've got this Christmas. We have this coffee maker right there and my air fryer. Yes, and I'm so excited, and let's do the unboxing. By the way guys, I had a problem because that thing is so big right there. I don't know where to put them. I don't know, this is so big and the kitchen is already so full and I don't know where I'm gonna put it. So here is the kitchen look like. I'm gonna show you. This is the kitchen. I have a small kitchen wherein we don't know where we're gonna put all the stuff because the air fryer is so big. You see, that's the kitchen right there, and we're going to find a place for that air fryer. Very heavy guys. Oh, not that heavy. Let's see. Oh, okay. I am so excited. Let's do the unboxing. You see, it's so big. Let's see. Look at all the box is like, it will tell you what are the foods you can cook in this thing. I think it's like everything. And I'm so excited to cook my lechon kawali in here. My lechon kawali. I'm so excited. You can cook everything in here. Alright, so let's unbox it. Ooh, wow. Oh, wow. It's so big. Guys. Oh my goodness. I'm so very excited about this. Unboxing. Oh, it's so big. Honey, this one is big. Oh, here is the manual. Got the manual right here. Okay. We're gonna read it later on. Gourmet. Gourmet. Oh, it's big. Gee, I'm scared. I don't want to drop this. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Ooh, it's big. Ooh, it's so big. It's so big. I'm so excited with my air fryer. All right. Ooh, pretty. Oh, there's another tape over here. Oh. Ooh. There you go, guys. Look. Wow, this is big, honey. This thing is so big. I'm so excited to use this.
Are you filming?
Yeah. It's nice.
Yeah.
It's big too.
Oh yeah, it's really big.
Wow. Alright guys, let's try to plug this in. Let's see if it is working or not. Woo. Huh? No, what happened?
No, you gotta put...
Whoa, on! It's so pretty! You have here the temperature. Fries, bacon, vegetables, seafood, wings, air fryer, bake, roast. Oh my god. Everything is here. It's so pretty. All you have to do is set the timer. No, set the temperature, the timer of the food you're going to cook, and put a timer on it. Turn reminder, start, preheat, bake. Wow! Look at inside. It's big. I'm so excited. On a place for our kitchen appliances. You call this kitchen appliances. Oh, see, wherein everything is matched over here. Everything is color black in this area. Right there. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to use this one. And our coffee, there is timer on this one. Wow. See? It's pretty. I'm gonna use this to cook my lechon kawali. I'm going to use this. I'm gonna use this one to cook my lechon kawali for tomorrow, guys. And here we go. We're going to use the air fryer, but first we have here is the pork belly. And we are going to simmer this first until it gets tender, okay? So let's simmer that for like maybe until it becomes tender. So we're gonna put all this stuff. Onion, bay leaves, some salt. Alright, there you go. And also a black pepper. It's supposed to be a whole cloves of black pepper, but I don't have it. So we're just gonna use the ground black pepper, okay? We're gonna boil this thing up until it gets tender. Right there. And well, let's wait until it gets tender. See you later. Guys, after many hours, let's check if the pork is already tender, okay? After long hours of simmering. I think it's not done yet. 30 minutes more. Alright guys, let's look at this one if it's already tender. Oh wow. It's already tender, yes. So let's turn this off. Alright, this is already tender. Okay, so let's pat this dry. Alright, like that. And then what we're gonna do is this. It's tusok-tusok like that. Put tusok-tusok. Wow. It's gonna be so crispy. I'm so excited with this. Alright. Okay. Wow, it's so soft. Alright. That, and then we're gonna dry. And like that. And we're gonna put some salt. This. Alright, let's put this in the refrigerator for the whole night and ready to cook for tomorrow, okay? Here we go guys, we're now using our air fryer for the first time. Okay, so let's preheat the oven. The air fryer, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. There you go guys, and then let's start. Now it's preheated. Right guys, so it's preheated and it's now ready to be going to put this inside. It's hot. Like that. For 30 minutes, okay? Alright. I'm so excited. I'm going to have my crispy belly. Here we go guys, 30 minutes is done, so let's check. Let's check. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. My goodness, so crispy. Let's put that in the soup. Here you go. So good. Very crunchy and juicy. Let's try it. Alright, let's try this.